So can you guess how many numbers can divide 43 perfectly without leaving a remainder? So let's find out. 43 is just another number or something special. So what are factors? So factors are number that divided another number exactly with no remainder. So we are looking for all number that divide 43 completely. So finding the factors, check them from 1. So 1 divided by 43 is 43. Now 43 is odd. So we cannot divide it by 2. Now and this sum is 7. So we cannot divisible by 3. And it does not end with 0 or 5. So it cannot divide it by 43. So now let's try out with the square. So square root of 43 is approximately 6 point something. So none of them divide 43 evenly. So the only factors are 1 and 43. So that means 43 is a prime number and a number with only two factors, 1 and itself. So final answer factor of 43 is 1 and 43. Simple, short and sharp, just the prime numbers. So like the math fact. So hit the like button and subscribe for more quick number breakdown. Thank you so much.